Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have credentials and storage ready, so begin by exporting the database. Use phpMyAdmin or run miscldump via SSH to capture WP tables. Once done, pause plugins that write files during backup to avoid inconsistent data. Next, archive the WP content folder, themes, plugins, uploads, either with a plugin or tar/gzip command. Make sure to include hidden files like htaccess. This combination of database dump plus content archive is the foundation for any full restore. Now create timestamped archives and transfer them off server. Use zip or tar with gzip and include the SQL dump, WP content, and WP config. PHP. Once done, upload to remote storage such as S3, FTP, or Dropbox. Make sure to keep a verified local copy temporarily. Then calculate checksums, MD5 or SHA-256, on both local and remote copies to confirm integrity, because corrupted backups waste time. If you use a plugin, run its verification or test restore fee. Finish by scheduling automated backups and setting a retention policy so you keep recent points without filling storage. Once done, perform a test restore on a staging site. Import the SQL, unpack WP content, and update WP config. PHP as needed. This confirms both process and timing. If things go wrong, check file permissions, confirm the SQL user has sufficient privileges, and review plugin exclusion lists that might omit uploads. Make sure to iterate until restores are reliable, then document the exact steps for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.